In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to tag someone on Instagram story, and let's get started. This is probably one of the most easiest things you can do on Instagram, but I'm going to show you guys it right now. So you just want to go to your sort of like profile page right here. You want to click on your profile picture, just like that. You want to take a picture real quick. I'm just gonna take a picture, and then just make the background black, just like this. And I'm going to add my second account real quick, and all you need to do is just how you would normally tag someone as well. You just put add and then their name. So I'm just gonna do Koki, this name right here. This is my second account, and of course you usually want to tag someone with with an actual meaningful story, not just a black space, of course. But that is basically how you do it, and then just click on send to your story, and it's now gonna upload to your story. And let's wait for that a little bit. And as you can see, it has now been uploaded to my story, and it also says in the chat you mentioned and then their name. So that's basically it. I hope this video helps you out. Please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked. I'll see you next time. Have a good day.